Okay, good morning students. This is one more video on solid state and today we are going to solve another types of numerical and probably this is the last lecture on the solid state. Now what this numerical tells us? Before this, in your notes I have given this formula. If n is the number of atoms in HCP or in CCP, cubic close packing or hexagonal close packing, number of tetrahedral voids are always double. So the number of tetrahedral void will be 2n and number of octahedral voids are same, means number of octahedral void will be n. This is octahedral void and this is tetrahedral void. Just remember, tetrahedral voids are double and octahedral voids are same. Okay, by this formula we can solve this type of numericals. So let us continue. Okay, what this numerical tells: aluminum oxide crystallizes with aluminum ion in 2/3 of octahedral void. 2/3 of octahedral void and 1/3 of octahedral void remains vacant in close packing, means it is CCP. What is the formula of aluminum oxide? Now here they have mentioned 2/3 of tetrahedral voids. Aluminum 2/3 of octahedral voids or octahedral holes are occupied. As you know, number of octahedral void is same as the number of atom. Now only we have seen if n is number of atom, number of tetrahedral void will be 2n, but number of octahedral void will be n. And here they are talking about octahedral void. So aluminum, suppose octahedral void is 1. So oxide also will be 1, because if number of atoms are n, octahedral void is also n. Now what they are saying, 2/3 of octahedral void means this is 2/3. I have taken this as 1 and oxygen as 1, and they are saying 2/3 of octahedral void. So it will come Al, O is 1 and this is 2/3. Now you see, formulas are never in fraction. So if you want to convert this into whole number, if I multiply this by 3, this 3 will get cancelled. If I multiply this by 3, this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. Are you getting it what I am doing? I am multiplying it by 3 so that this number gets cancelled. So here also I need to multiply by 3. So this 3 will be cancelled and formula will become Al2O3. Now is it divisible? No, it's not divisible. So this is the formula. Al2O3. See here, what is the formula of aluminum oxide? Aluminum oxide's formula is Al2O3. Okay, same way come to this numerical. What it says, in an ionic crystalline solid, atom of X forms HCP. Now here they are talking about hexagonal close packing. The atom of element Y forms SCP and the atom of element X occupies 1/3 of tetrahedral void. So X and this is Y, and they are saying X occupies 1/3 of tetrahedral void, and you know that tetrahedral voids are always double. So if I am taking this as 2 and this I will take as 1, because tetrahedral voids are double, but how much it occupies? 1/3 of tetrahedral void. So I will multiply this by 1/3. Are you getting why I am taking X as 2? Because tetrahedral voids are double. So this will come X 2/3 and Y 1. But now only I told you it is never in fractions. So if I multiply this by 3, this 3 will get cancelled. I will also multiply this by 3. So formula will be X2 Y3. and further it is not divisible, so this will be the answer. Now this type of numericals are very easy, generally asked in competitive exams. Only you need to remember, if the number of atoms are y, suppose tetrahedral void will be always double, means 2y, and octahedral void will be y, means it will be same as number of atoms. Okay students, did you understand this? Okay students, this is one more type of numerical. What it says, an element A and B constituent of BCC. Constituent of BCC. And what is the structure of BCC? See here, I am drawing a cube. BCC means 8 constituent particles are at 8 corner and 1 in the center. So 8 at 8 corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 in the center. Now what it says, element A occupies body center, means in this center who is there? A, and B is at the corner of the cube, means all these corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are B. Now what is the formula of compound? Now you know what is the contribution of the corners. Contribution of corners are 1/8 of 8. Do you remember this 1/8? 1/8 of 8, that is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8. But how much belongs to this cube? In previous lecture we have seen how to find it. How much belongs to this cube? That is only 1/8. So 1/8 of 8 is 1. Means how much B are there? 1. And A is present at the center. And center is not shared by anyone. So here A is also 1 and B is also 1. And you know, at the corner negative ions are there. Generally negative do packing, and in center positive is present. And while writing formula we write positive first and then negative. That is NaCl, suppose Na plus Cl minus. So first I have written A, then B. So the answer is AB, because A is 1, B is 1. But no need to write this one. 1 is understood. So the formula is AB. Now what it says, what is the coordination number of A and B? Now in your notes I have given the list. Coordination number of simple cubic structure is 6. Coordination number of BCC is 8. Coordination number of CCP or SCP is 12. You see in notes, coordination of simple cubic structure is 6. Coordination number of BCC is 8. Coordination number of FCC or CCP is 12. So here they have written BCC. So the coordination number is 8. So these are very simple type of numericals. The numerical number 2nd, 5th and 8th I have solved for you. Total I have given 8 numericals. Out of that 2nd, 5th and 8th I have solved. Means more 5 you need to solve and show it to me. Thank you.